are here at the Pointe, Dubai, and we are enjoying beautiful weather here at the Viewpoint of Atlantis. It's a beautiful day, amazing.
We are off to see a movie that apparently I booked incorrectly.
Ta-da! So I can be with Robert Downey Jr. Ta-da!
Very nice cinema. Oh,
Ta-da!
nice shoes, honey. Okay, honey. See ya.
Bye, Tom Cruise. Hi there. Here at the Pointe, there's a lot of art that you can see. Look at this bear. I love this town. It's cute. There's a lot here. You gotta check it out. Welcome to the Pointe, and you can see it here. Point to there. It's Atlantis.